Hello everyone, this is Alex from Albo Studio and welcome to my iMac video. This iMac I've purchased for 200 euros. This is 2012 model and it has a HDD problem, which basically means that the hard drive is failing on this machine and you cannot boot anything from the hard drive. And that's why there's a lot of these machines on the market. They are good, but you will need to do a little fix around to put one SSD inside and give a new life to this machine. If you are new to the channel, I'm doing tech tips, tech reviews, and I also talk about cryptocurrency. So if you are into that, consider subscribing so that you don't miss anything. And with that being said, let's jump into the video. To fix one of those babies, you will need four things: a pizza cutter knife, cable unplugger, an SSD, and sticky stripes to put back the display to the machine. I will be putting the links for all those products in the description below so that you can get them from Amazon. Since we have all our tools ready, let's start and open this machine. And be careful, when you are doing this, hold your display so it won't fall from your machine. When you see that the knife is going easy, that means that the old thumb is cut and you can take off the display. Okay, now with easiness I can slide around my display and you can see that we can take it off. This should be done really carefully. Before you remove your display, carefully disconnect it from motherboard. Well, this iMac is pretty dirty, but as a history of this machine, I know that it came from United Arab Emirates. So maybe it's okay to have so much sand inside. So you can see that our iMac is opened. I will do a little cleanup and then we'll proceed with the video. So now you can see that I have cleaned up this iMac, and when we've opened it, what you can see two speakers, fan, HDD that we will remove, power supply, and motherboard. So to remove the hard drive, you will need to use 8-pin screwdriver and just remove those four screws. So let's do it. So now we've removed our HDD. You can see that it's connected via SATA and power. Disconnect them. And our Mac HDD is free. Now we have removed our HDD from our iMac. You can see that it has a rubber cover. We will need to remove a rubber cover from old HDD. And put the new SSD inside. Okay, so our SSD for our new iMac is ready. Let's put it inside. We have our new SSD. Now we just need to connect it to our iMac, and that will be all for your hard drive installation. Let's connect SATA cable and our power cable. Okay. And now we'll need to put it back here in the shell. So we have installed our SSD. Now, before you will put back the display, it's a good idea to try if your iMac is powering on, because if it doesn't, you will need to take off the display again and do the procedure again and check what you've missed. So now I will power it on to see if everything is okay. So let's see if it's working. Okay, so the fan is spinning and it's alive. Now I can say for 100% everything is okay. Now we'll just need to use our sticky stripes and put back the display. Let's start. Okay, so by the numbers over here on the stripes you can see how you should apply them. First, second, third, fourth right, fourth left, fifth. This is the way to apply it. So let's go and apply them. I have applied all the stripes. Let me remove the last parts. Okay, so now we are ready. After applying our sticky stripes, we are ready to put back the display. Let's do it, and we are finished with the whole process. When you reapplying the display, you should connect it in the bottom perfectly, like this. Yes. But before you connect it on the top, don't forget to connect your display to your motherboard. So I have reconnected my display to my motherboard, and now I can attach it back to the system. And now we are done. Let's try to turn it on and see if it will work. Okay, let's power it on. Let me see the display. Okay, the display is okay. Our machine is booting right now. Let's see how fast it will boot. And it's done. It's booted. Thank you for your time, guys. If you got any value from this video, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to assist you with your fix.